Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Angie. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So today is the first day of Vlogmas. It's also the first time I'm doing Vlogmas, so bear with me because we off to a good start, but I don't know how this is gonna go, so bear with me. But for today's first day of Vlogmas, I'm actually going to be doing a week-long hair treatment. You heard that right, a week-long hair treatment. Like I'm really I'm a little nervous about this one. Like I just have to do my hair every day for a week. Like, oh my God. So the treatment starts out with what is called the Cherry Lola treatment. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today. But it is a big whole part of the maximum hydration method, which is what I'm going to be doing for a week long. Now, the maximum hydration method, say the first time you do it, you should do it every single day for a week, so your hair can really reap the benefits. So I'm going to try it and hopefully I can stick to it. I actually started it in the past and I didn't do the Cherry Lola with it, but I started it in the past. I think I did it for like 3 days. And then I had to give it up. So I'm going to see if I can try and do this consecutively every day for a week. And then we're going to see like the before and after of it. So really excited, but also like a little nervous too. So like I said, we're going to be starting out with the Cherry Lola treatment. This is the treatment that you do on your hair before you do the maximum hydration method, because this is a protein treatment, so you don't do it every single day with all the other steps of the treatment itself. So we're going to start with the Cherry Lola. So what I'm going to do is show you guys the ingredients, and we are going to get into this, and I'm going to tell you guys all about this treatment and why it's awesome for your hair and what you need to do it. So let's get right to the video. Master list of a bunch of different ingredients you can use when you do your Cherry Lola treatment, but the main ingredients are going to be Greek yogurt and liquid aminos, but you can add other ingredients that will strengthen, hydrate, and moisturize your hair. Just make sure you tailor your ingredients to how often you're going to do this treatment and your hair needs and hair porosity. Now, before I get into why the Cherry Lola treatment is amazing and why everybody should try it at least once on their hair, the first thing I do want to say is I am starting on clean hair. Now, right now, I'm just making sure my hair is damp so that I can apply my clay mixture. And you guys, the ingredients to my mixture were in the last clip with the palm trees. So if you missed it, make sure you just go back and check that out, but I also will put it down in the description box down below. Now, the Cherry Lola treatment is the optional preliminary step in the maximum hydration method. It's a treatment that hydrates your hair and reduces frizz, and it's great for restoring and building healthy hair. Now, the good thing about the Cherry Lola treatment is that it is beneficial for all textures. It makes your hair manageable and easy to detangle, and it defines your curls. Now, to ensure that my hair is frizz-free, really smooth, and really defined, I am applying this Cherry Lola treatment to my hair while I'm wearing gloves so I can easily separate the curls, finger detangle them, smooth them down with the mixture, and then twist them up so they are out of the way. Now, because there are so many different versions and recipes for the Cherry Lola treatment and also the maximum hydration method, as you guys will see later on, depending on the ingredients that you do decide to put in this treatment when you make it, your hair will be able to gain and retain moisture, obtain necessary protein and fats to repair, build, and grow hair, amongst a plethora of other benefits. Just make sure when you're looking at different ingredients that other people may have used or that you might be interested in using in your mixture, just make sure you look at what the benefits will actually be for your hair and how it benefits your hair based on your hair porosity and level of protein sensitivity. You can do the Cherry Lola treatment with or without continuing on to the maximum hydration method after. Like I said, it is the optional preliminary step. So you could opt to just do the Cherry Lola or do it with the maximum hydration method or just do the maximum hydration method. But the good thing to know before you dive right into the Cherry Lola treatment, it is an intensive protein treatment and you should avoid doing it too often if your hair is protein sensitive or if you've recently done a protein treatment. And when I say recently, I mean within the past 6 weeks. But all in all, the Cherry Lola is perfect for restoring moisture in your hair. It's great to prevent shedding and breakage and increase hydration. So if your hair is great across all the board except for when it comes to moisture, you might want to look into the Cherry Lola and as well as the maximum hydration method. So when I finally finished twisting my hair, this is what it looked like all applied. Kind of looks just like a bentonite clay treatment, although it is the Cherry Lola. But I left this on my hair for 25 minutes uncovered. Here I'm actually rinsing the treatment out of my hair. It's been 25 minutes. And I just want to say, guys, before I go more into the steps, do not leave this treatment on your hair for more than 30 minutes. You can use heat if you feel your hair really needs, it's like a deep penetrating moisturizing treatment. You can definitely use heat, but I would not leave this treatment on your hair for more than 30 minutes. Now what I'm doing is rinsing this out of my hair. I'm using warm water to rinse this out, and I'm just going through with just water, but when you are done rinsing it out thoroughly, you can follow up with a co-wash, an apple cider vinegar rinse, or a deep conditioner, which you'll see is what I did. Now here I am adding some of my Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Deep Conditioner to my hair. Usually when I do kind of clay masks and things like this, I like to layer up on moisturizing ingredients, although I didn't have as many that were on the list. But you know, after rinsing it out with just water, my hair felt like it could use a little bit of a pick-me-up. So that's why I opted for a deep conditioner. I decided not to do an apple cider vinegar rinse because I know that's one of the main steps when you do the maximum hydration method, which I'll be getting into for the next 7 days. So I opted for the deep conditioner. But like I said, you guys can do a co-wash, a deep conditioner, or an apple cider vinegar rinse if you don't want to just rinse it out and be done with it. So I maybe left the Carol's Daughter treatment mask in my hair for 5 minutes or so, just uncovered, just kind of while I did the rest of my shower routine, just left that on my hair, and now I'm rinsing it out with cool/coldish water. You always usually want to rinse your hair with cool/coldish water because it closes up the cuticle and leaves your hair shiny and locks in that moisture. So great for after a treatment, but overall just great to do when you finish washing your hair. And here you guys will see the final look. So all I did after I rinsed my hair out, I did not towel dry it or anything like that. All I did was I applied my Jane Carter Solution Untangle Me, which you guys know is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. That was all that I applied to my hair, and I just went through section by section, made sure my hair was still really damp when I applied it, and I just raked it through. I didn't want to style it or anything like that because I'm getting ready to start the maximum hydration method, which involves me washing my hair every single day for a week. So yeah, but I mean, my hair was looking frizz free. It was feeling amazing. It was soft. It was bouncy. It was very, very manageable. I didn't even pick up my Denman or my Tangle Teaser brush, not once. I finger detangled through the whole process. And I mean, my hair looks and feels amazing. Now, like I said, you guys, I did try the maximum hydration method before, but I never tried the Cherry Lola with it. And I really like the Cherry Lola. It didn't stand out to me any different from a regular protein treatment, but I mean, it's definitely visible result. It's just looking good. That's all I'm gonna say. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Vlogmas. Bye. Hey guys, it's me from the future, because this hairstyle is actually the result of day 1 of my maximum hydration method, which you guys have not seen yet. But regardless, from the future, I'm bringing gifts. So it's been a full year since I've done a giveaway, which is crazy because I used to do so many giveaways on my Instagram. But in the spirit of Vlogmas, I have an awesome giveaway for you guys. I'm going to be giving away this Diva Curl holiday kit. Now, inside this holiday kit from Diva Curl are some of my favorite products, but specifically you guys get a No Poo Decadence, a One Condition Decadence, Super Stretch, and Leave-In Decadence. This is a $72 value, and I'm giving it to one of you guys for free $99. So all you guys have to do is in the comments of this video, the one you're watching right now, go into the comments, comment your hair type, as in 1, 2, 3, or 4. You don't have to get specific with the letters. I don't really care about all that. 1, 2, 3, or 4, because one of the requirements is you have to have type 4 hair, because that's what these products are formulated for. But if you're type 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, I have another giveaway coming for you guys, so don't worry. So make sure you go down into the comments of this video, comment your hair type and 3 hair goals for 2020. And that's all you have to do. And you guys have up until December 14th at midnight to enter. I will be picking the winner, and I will come back into the comments to let you guys know who won this giveaway thing. And if you guys don't remember what the requirements are to enter, I will also include them down in the description box. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays!